Okay, so let's deal with the 4 fundamentals of SPC. Number 1, data lives forever, but information has a very short half-life. What does this mean? Data is most informative at the point of generation. Do not let information that we are getting here from the data age. So in order to achieve this, let us all allow the people closest to the process to deal with the information on a timely fashion. Okay? So number 2, minimum amount of data with maximum information, not lot of data with minimum information. Okay, how are we going to achieve this? In SPC, we are also dealing with the sampling plan. In sampling plan, there are two to consider. Number one, number one for sampling plan is sampling size. Okay? And number 2 is sampling frequency. Okay. So if we are going or if the sampling plan that we have provided in that particular critical items is perfect, properly defined, then definitely we can achieve the minimum amount of data with maximum information. Okay? Not lots of data with minimum information, because if we are not going to define this one, we just collect and collect data without any reference why we are collecting it that way, then definitely we are collecting lots of data but with minimum information, and worse, we cannot get any information. Okay? Number 3, fundamentals of SPC. Variability exists. We can control it, or we can let variability control us. Okay. That is why we are putting different kinds of SPC monitoring or SPC controls in order for us to control the variability. Okay? Because there are two kinds of variability, guys. We have the common. Common, this is inherent in our process. And there are special, or what you call, these are the special case, or these are the special cause of variation. And this is the common cause of variation. Okay, there are two types. These are the two types of variation. This one, this one, we need a preventive action not to have, not this one to happen, but this one, this is inherent in our process. We cannot eliminate this kind of variation, but rather we can control this one. Okay, by putting a control, or what you call this, we put SPC on these critical items in our process. Okay? Number 4, fundamentals. SPC will teach us how and when to intervene correctly with high confidence. Okay? So SPC will teach us how and when to intervene correctly. It was specified here, correctly with high confidence. Okay? Because if our sampling plan is properly define, definitely all the information that we are gathering from the data that we are collecting definitely is true and correct. So, if the data or the information tells us that we need to put action on this is the issue that we are encountering, then definitely we can achieve this one. Okay? So, what is the purpose of SPC? So the SPC will teach us how and when to intervene correctly with high confidence. This is the 4th fundamentals of SPC. That's all.